Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through two beautiful sets of silk saree collections, in which firstly you are seeing is a Dola soft silk sarees. The fabric is very smooth, soft and light in weight. Very pretty colors, zari woven borders and its running blouse as the specialty of these collections. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 1050 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges fee from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. And even if you want, you can join our WhatsApp groups. All these links be there in the description. Please note our payment mode is through online only and avoid making direct calls. And moving to the next collection, we are seeing as a collection of soft silk cotton sarees in two patterns. Beautiful prints are there running throughout the body along with a running blouse and zari woven borders, and which is priced at 780 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.